Hi, this is like Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to clean out the dryer vent for your dryer machine. The first thing you're going to do before every time you put the dryer on, remove this lint from here. Next thing we're going to clear today is this dryer vent going from here to the outside of the house. For this, we're going to remove the clamp here. All this lint that fallen off needs to come out. In order to clean it out, we're going to use this device. By the way, all the tools and materials you see in this video you can purchase on the link below in the description. And we're going to stick this in and then put this part right into the vent. I put the painter's tape around it so it'll not gonna come out on when we're doing the cleaning. We're gonna put the vacuum cleaner and stick it in here. We're putting this flexible rods and screwing them in one by one. Once you got enough length to put it on the drill, you put it on the drill. You stick it in there a little further. And continue doing it till you reach the vent on outside. Sometimes it's hard to push it through by hand, so you'll turn the whole thing and it'll go through the turns inside the pipe. Okay, now it's at the end of the run. At this point we're gonna use the drill. Just put it in here, tighten up the chock, make sure it's tight. The trick with it, you have to go clockwise only. As soon as you turn reverse direction of the drill, it will get unscrewed inside the pipe, and now you need to find a way to get this rod out of the pipe, which is not going to be easy. So at this point, when it's tight in the chock and everything connected, we're going to turn on the vacuum and going back and forth cleaning up all the lint inside the dryer vent pipe. Okay, vacuum is disconnected. We can remove the hose, remove the tape. So this brush is going inside the pipe and knocking down all the lint and vacuum is sucking it in. Okay, let's see how much stuff are inside the vacuum. All this lint, it was a brand new filter. All this lint came out from your pipe. You should do it at least once every nine months to a year, depends on usage of the dryer. It is highly flammable, so it's a fire hazard, and efficiency of your dryer. The clean pipes will get your clothes dried up faster. It's a good practice to do it, like I said, 9 months to 1 year every year. Once everything clean, you reconnect your pipe, your vent pipe to the vent opening. Alright, now it's connected, it's not coming off. We can put everything back together. Sometimes in order to do this, you would have to move the washer or dryer or both, but this is the process, how it's getting done. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos. All the tools and materials we used in this video are listed in the description below.